Namohla, it's a very exciting day for my department because we have someone from the entertainment industry dating years and years and years in the gospel music scene. We have Sipho Makhabane. Kunjani ba?
Ngiyaphila kakhulu sisifama njani?
Ngiyaphila ba.
Ngiyaphila nami kwala hawo lokunye nelokunye akuyakusikhanza phambili.
Yes ba.
Kuyakusikhanza embili.
Yes ba. I think isingakangeni nje lokuningi mine mangeva ukuthi nangisipho Makhabane nalithuba lekhuluma naye. I just want to know, where's the music? We want more music. Where is the music ba?
I know, I'm used to it. Phela ukhumbule mangicela kuhlabelela, I think you were not born. I'm not sure. But from 1988, I've been in the field from 1988.
It's a long time.
Up until today, and I'm still standing. And it's a grace from above. So music, it's a lot. Yes. My albums are 39. As so ngabala 3 decades.
Yes.
Ngikhona ku music industry. So mawubuthi ingoma nje ubuthatha ingoma leningi ayozocetha. Khona nje album lephuma manje ithi nje Jesu ngiholele edwaleni.
Yes.
Jesu ungiholele edwaleni. Mawuthi nje Sipho Makhabane bese uthi Jesu ngiholele edwaleni uyayithola. Mawuyithola, the album has got 11 tracks.
Okay.
So you choose which one. Yes. Because what I mean, yoqala nje Jesu ngiholele edwaleni liphakeme. Ungihole baba. Suzu ngihole. Jesu ngiholele edwaleni liphakeme. Ngoba wena Jesu uyinqaba yami. Kunesikrithi ke mawusedwaleni ngoba mawusedwaleni awubeva laphansi ukuthi bathini. Bese khona ingoma lesibili ithi uma engakithi ngubani oyomelana nathi Jesu ehamba nathi thina sonco banjalo. I-album lesha njalo leyo lekhona ngoba phela bathi nesenifundzile sisanifani nathi nekatheni besinema record sasuka kuma records ayima-cassettini sasuka ema-cassettini saya kuma-CDs hayi bathi nesenishanga manje ngama-digital sethi la yabo so bo Spotify boma YouTube sethi la manje.
Yes.
Iyatholakala leyo album all the digital platforms. Mawuthi nje Sipho Makhabane sothi Jesu ngiholele edwaleni.
Yes.
Uthola all the songs and then it's available.
Okay, so also ukhulumile ngekuthi your existence in the music industry dates back to over 30 years. Ijourney yakho yini lokubonile lesekushintsile? Is it good? Is it better now? Uva kanjani? You've been there before. You are here now. Lo music evolvile kuwe. Sengikhuluma nga the whole entertainment industry. Uva ngazi uthi hayi khani ngelayini noma.
I think the whole thing yalimala ngalesikhathi. People, they were dumping music over the pirates all over. Aqale ma-artist ukulimala because you must always remember uma kuyorekhodwa gona those days bona lesikhathi kusaqala thina ukuhlabelela usaba ukukhuluma ngemali ku-music industry especially kwi-gospel mawungena ku-radio yona i-interview fika lapho uhlale lapho bakubute manje Makhabane niyacula niculile imali yabona nawe usuyaqala nawe uthi hayi ngiyacula but asiculele imali lalela. Once wangena nje studio to record a song, that's business. Yes. Because the money that you spend to record, the money must come back again. And on top of that, there is marketing. That now we need to sample the radio stations, go to television, and traveling all the radio stations. Awufaka imali lapho. You need money.
Yeah.
You need petrol, accommodation, entertainment. Yes. Uma ufika kuma radio, kumele usampula ama-CDs wakho uphethe ama-CDs box lonke 20 ama-CDs noma 30, each and every copy in a biography. Yabo? And then unika ama-DJs nalo uyofunda ngale artist, and then on top of that aphathe i-CD ayodlala, and then from there abamaphepha bayobhala ngale ukuthi hey le ngoma ngitivile timnanzi inini ku-radio bayobadlala and all that. That's business, that's money. Uyakubona? Kufana nokuthi umuntu umfundisi uthi umfundisi njengoba ushumayela livangeli nje ushumayela mahala noma there's money involved.
Yes.
So Emma artist, when you look at the time lesesikuso manje, musicians are struggling big time. It was better at the time of CDs because they were selling it.
Yes.
Now this platform, you stream or buy online and all that, it doesn't work for musicians. It doesn't. Downloading millions times, what, how much money I'm going to get on that?
Yes.
It's nothing. Kalmo say CD, it was better. Thanks CD, 20 rand or 15 emalangeni or 10 emalangeni, or we're gonna get royalties from that CD. Ama sales that ama CDs lao. We told him, let's say, a CD yago wholesale, yamo 20 rand. And then now, so about storage, lapo minus almost 10% of my storage, minus 10% of what, and all. Then now, going to your percentage now as an artist.
Yes.
We told your percentage, yako, maybe with the record company, maybe it's 8% or it's 10%. Now, calculating that 10 emalangen per copy, let's say you sold 10,000 units, times 10 rands or 15 rands, then minus your percentage. At least it was better. It was easy to market your musician, your artist, radio, televisions, and everywhere. It's easy to do that. But now, when you look at this thing, it's not working at all for artists. I used to say, ngiyabavela ama-artists lafika manje. Well, it's good for, but where you're going to make money is when you're doing shows. Then you're going to make money when you're doing shows. Because sometimes the money that you get when you are doing performances, it's more than the royalties that you're going to get from a record company. Because, take for instance, with record company, your percentage is 8% or is 10%. Now, when you say 200,000, let's say they are selling you cassette, your CDs at 200,000, so it's less 10%. You know how much is that? It's nothing. But you sold, you understand, 10,000 units sold. But now, when they book you now for performing, and then you're going to charge them, let's say, now the rates, our rates now, they are more or less 70, 75, excluding transport and accommodation. Now, when you say 75, excluding transport and accommodation, now adding transport, accommodation, it goes up to more 100,000.
That's for well-known artists.
They are well-known artists. That's why it's very, very important to market your product. So I remember, those years when I introduced Abo Shongwe, Shongwe and Kopuga in the music industry, especially in South Africa, they became very big. Abo Ngandwe and Christ Ambassador, they were big. They were doing great because the type of music they were doing. And that time when he introduced it wasn't easy. I remember those years because my first artist was Shongwe and Kopuga. Now I remember Shongwe, the keyboard here. And then manje ngifika okhosini ke. Ngifika okhosini kulomnye ubaba ke lapha, the late ubaba Move Maphalala. Ngiyafika banikeza iCD kaShongwe. Give them Mercedes. Ubaba Move Wemakhamba angisho-ke uyacula khona le ngoma yakhe mayicula ngathi uyayibona
Yes.
athi manje haye mama haye mama haye mama impela ungasho kanjani athi umuvu wemakhapha lo muntu okuyacula ngathi uthula izingane nje. But no, I had to be smart and to be okay because they didn't see what I'm seeing. You understand? And what I see as a producer, and then looking at the type of gospel that I'm coming with, and then now thinking about the people who are fellowshipping, ematendeni. Now, thinking of the type of music that Shonga is doing, I could see this type of music is gonna work now.
It has the market.
This is the market. It's market yamatende, and this music is going to work.
Yes.
But our record company, they didn't take it serious. That's when I decided to do my own record company, Amangusa Music Production. Because I remember even myself coming to the industry. I remember my second album, those are the albums that take me, brought me up, especially in the Kingdom of Eswatini. My second album. My first album was Tumumlilo. There's not much song that they know. But in the Kingdom of Eswatini, my second album, they started to, hey man, there's this song, man. Jesulo, Ujesu namala, unamala, wangoba, zonke izinto emhlabeni, wangoba, uSathane. That song, eMaswati, they took that song and they were so excited about that song. So everything started from that song, from that album. That was second album. My third album was yes, that was my second album. And I remember all these albums, I started producing my album on the fourth one here in Togo's. My first album was produced by Denkos Kandakanda.
Okay.
My second album was produced by Pet Shange. My third album was produced by Freddy Kwala, was produced by Freddy Kwala, Amatamar. So I was on the same company with them.
Yes.
So I started to produce my album on Yegin Togozo. And Yegin Togozo was not part of the list of the songs that I was going to record. What happened is we had a breakdown around there, Belfast, driving now from Nelspruit to Johannesburg. So excited, I'm going to record. But now we had a breakdown. So this song, Yegin Togozo, the words came when I was so frustrated and thinking about this breakdown now, the kombi now, we feel it, sengihleli lapha, ngihleli ematsheni nami lapha, ngiva buhlungu, but kwafika la magama. As much as ngiva buhlungu, but Yegin Togozo, eyoba khona ekhaya. Lapho sesiyohamba nomhlobo wethu, sesihlabelela, sithi hallelujah, sithi uphakele. Bese ngithi inyembezi zeminyaka ziyosulwa. La magama ngiyawakhuluma ngihleli lapha, ngiva buhlungu. Now, uma sikuthiwe ikhumbise i-right-ke sigene ekhumbini siyahamba siye eJozi singena e-studio siyarekhoda. Then uma sirekhoda, hayi man, something just reminded me, man, there's some words that you wrote when you were sitting there. Sihleli lapha ematsheni lapha. Ngabuya la magama. Uyabona? Kanti ngawabhala, ngabuya. Nawu sengifuna imelody manje. Uyabona? Hayi ngithole isikhathi-ke bayodla-ke. And I said, we break hamba kuyodliwa. Manje ngidlala nge-keyboard mina. Mangidlala nge-keyboard. Sengifuna imelody yala magama. Yabona? Sengiyayithola. then ngathatha lamagama ngawafaka lapha yeke intokozo ekhona ekhaya awusizohamba nomhlobo wethu sohlabelela hallelujah ngasukuma same time ngabita the engineer please can you just press record and record this yabo recorda kanjalo and that song is the song that took me to the world that year intokozo even today that song and when you listen, even today when I listen to that song on that CD yakudala leyo cassette leyo you know I laugh I said you know what God you are so great when listening to that production yaleyo goma leyo kodwa labantu bevani and that thing I can tell you now people they still need the original yekintokozo that song that sound so kakhulu and it's amazing God is so good when I look back where I come from really and look at the mountains and valleys the challenges and everything it wasn't easy but I had to be patient plus the level of education it wasn't good that time my standard 3 English wasn't better like now now you can take me to wherever I can sit down and speak my standard 3 English because I try to taught myself and then you know there's one thing that God has blessed me with
brains
God has blessed me like brains no you know I used to tell people that you know what I don't know how many gigs there in this head there's lots of gigs you know when I sit down you know another thing that helped me I'm a person who doesn't have any problem about talking about my situation because I can't change it something that I cannot change it for me is just to accept it that I cannot change it and then that's all because end of the day you'll die depression angizakengifunza vele then my family didn't have money and then why now frustrated nga 60 years now I'm going to be in a back school and no phones we understand I cannot change that I had to accept it so now ngaleso sikhathi ke ngisangena kwi industry yo music ngifavor lenye team ne but ngiyangifuna ukukhuluma ngale team leyo ngoba le team leyo but angihleka abantu ngale team leyo ngoba le team leyo uma ufavor yona funa udle kuqala before iyodlala uyabona
athi ngiyayisuka
manje uyabona funa udle kuqala before iyodlala mayiqedza kudlala iappetite iphela it's a good team but yes, lose my weight in that team there. So that time, my favorite player, those years, was Dr. Kumalo.
Okay.
So every time, the paper, Malpala, the back page, it's soccer.
Yes.
We want a doctor, a shy style like either like a kickball, and paper. But I don't even understand it. I'm going to buy this paper. Senhlala phasi, ngihlala phasi ngiyafunza le story. I don't understand. There was a friend of mine. Lesigibela na ibhasi. Yabona? Manje masiphuma emsebenzini sisekhaya. Joseph, athi ngithe ufuna bathini ka doctor? Athi hayi bathini sihlala paper funda.
Ngoba ukhona ukufunza
wena. I understand. Yabona? Abe siyalifunza ke Joseph, alifunza. Sesidlele ebhasini ngisho back seat and masidlele ebhasini sohlala back seat the last seat ebhasini funa kubona wonke umuntu ongenako lapho la simconnecta usimbona lapho alifunze ke Zefa abuya bese uyachaza no bathi doctor this Dr. Khumalo wende lokhu nalokhu la no bathi hey yabona nje Now, mase sehle ebhasini ngiyathatha leli phepha. Sengiyekhaya. Mangifike ekhaya. Now I'm going to read the story.
Okay.
Now with an understanding.
Of what you're
Because Zephyr explained a bit, yabona. Sengiyakhona ukuhlanganisa lamagama. Oh, okay. That's how I taught myself my standard 3 English. Now I don't have any problem. Put me to any channel. I sit down and I'm not a person who always formal. When I'm doing interviews, I'm always standing, even on radio.
Okay.
It's the English channels when I speak. But when I'm talking about, you can't even stop me. I move. I move so that I don't forget things. I want to rep all the things that you can need from me.
Yes.
Yeah, when I get a chance of getting to a radio or television, I make sure that I sell everything, chickens and eggs, so that these 5 minutes I must use it profitable.
Yes.
I'm that kind of a person. So God has blessed me with wisdom. So even to discover the musicians, it was easy for me. As I said, as I mentioned, that when I discovered Shongwe, took Shongwe from the kingdom to South Africa, and South Africans, they love Shongwe kakhulu. Shongwe babulalele. Bekadlala ngisho sportini uShongwe. Yeah, sporting. Oh, mama. And another thing that helped me is after I struggled with my radio stations because they didn't understand the type of gospel that I'm bringing in the industry. Remember that time, you know, Rebecca, Abu Teriki, Abu Muruchin Lovu, amadoda nasewesili abo Muruchi Shoba Baroris Bamorena and Butlep and Tap that type of music the type of gospel is lengifike nayo yayingekho so but I had to push manje ngabona ukuthi yini ama record company they don't understand this, even the radio stations they don't understand this. I went to kuma printers, duplicate about 500 cassettes. 500 cassettes. Took the box, I went to the text ranks.
We're fine.
Yeah, text ranks. Ngene text rank, keep my cassette for free. Nengabo text drivers. Cassettes for free. And then we fly long distance texts.
Okay.
Angithi the mind it cassette lina A, lina side A, lina side B. So because it's a long distance, it means the cassette maraifagala. It's going to play both sides. Yes. The people who are sitting in this combi, they will hear all the songs, they will listen all the songs, side A and B. Now, when I get to Ukhozi FM again, people they start now calling those years, even as Nalaikaya in the kingdom, they call Nalama programs out.
Yes.
Now they would call Ukhozi. That's what the public demand. So it was easy now when I go back now again about move out. Hey man, open the show wako. That's how I broke out show. And then it worked for us. Then Timothy ngcandweni yabuya ngabo Adamu and then it worked. And then abokhozi izono Francis Dlamini umagwinya it worked. So now when I look back now as I'm in the kingdom and I look those years and look at the gospel that we are, the artists that are in now.
Yes.
You see that there is this lack of coming out, pushing hard, and avele umuntu wakhona from the bundles avele. You know, uShongwe from Emliba. I remember me driver ngiyofika Emliba. incandweni from le big band kalavumisa le phansi. So when I look at what is happening now in the country in terms of gospel, the artists are there. Yes. There's a lot of talent in the country, but need to modify it nicely and push it and market that. So through because I managed to do that through my slogan, discover, develop, and expose. So I managed to do that. And now I'm in the country, I'm helping where they need me because of the years that I've been in the music industry. So there's a lot that you can get from me. Hardworking and being smart in terms of getting in the studio, come up with something that will be effective. I remember when I was doing There Is a Race with Jabu Hlongwane. Jabu Hlongwane, actually, Percy was producing the album. Percy Ingle called me. I was driving from Nelspruit to Johannesburg. And he said to me, "Hey, Spal, where are you?" I said, "No, I'm in 17, a studio." He said, "Oh, okay." Then I'm passing a moment leave but I'm driving up. I said, "You can pass by." He said, "Aye, man, you ufunelani." I said, "No, we are in the studio, there's no Jabu." He said, "It's fine, don't do that." Sharp. It happened that ngidluleke khona, yabo, angene eJozi, ngihambe ngiye-17. So uJabu wayerekhoda ke Keep Me True, i-album yakhe leyo, Keep Me True. So angithi uJabu elungu yabona. uJabu elungu, sibalo wami, umlungu elungu. Manje uJabu mayecula, there is a race that I must run, there are victory. Yabona, elungu. Manje kwafika lo mhlanya kwaseMpumalanga yabona eSwatini, ihlanze nonke le gospel seSwatini yaseMpumalanga. Manje ngiyahlala ngiyalalela Keep It True kaJabu. Ngithi mina kuphezi ephezi. Ngathi manje ngashintsha itempo lengoma niyise up tempo, it can work. Yabona. Not because it's not going to work le itawusebenza, but there's something that I feel or lengivako athi okay asinike lacetha. Acethe cula Jabu. Ngithi mina Sibala. Lalela, yathi mashintsha lengoma uyise up tempo. There's something lengenziwa ngile ngoma. Athi Jabu. Kanjani? Ngithi ayishintshe yabo. I change playing. Okay, siyende ke sicede. So my voice, it was a guide when I got in that voice booth. Ngithatha my headset ngwafaka. Ngithi kuJabu, you can do the song like this. There is a race that I must run, when the air of it is to be won. Keep it. Yabo. And then it was a guide, then ngaphuma khona ngahamba. And then after that, Jabu athathe that guide lengayindile. Aye eSony. Athi, "Hey man, guys, uma khabani ufike wenza lento le." But bayilalela lawo. But aye, my man, ningasayisusi le voice le. Nikoshetana uma khabani, let's do the song as it is. Leyo album kaJabu Keep Me True. In a two race. In a race Yagami, and then a race le Jabu. And then that song is the song that took me to Joyous Celebration. Because now Jabu, when I was pushing this song, the race, that voice, there is a race, that I must. Then that time, and the people they know it is not Vuyo.
It's not.
They said, "Hey, kahle." They had to look for me and fight me. They said, "Ismail, please, man, come and help." That's how I get to know to be on Joyous Celebration.
Loku sokhuluma ngayo nje Joyous, recently ku launch ye ma Gospel Awards.
Yes.
Ukhulumile ukuthi for upcoming artists uTobasita, get in touch with Joyous.
Yeah.
Go on a USA tour.
Yeah.
Konke lokho uwathole with your connection in the gospel music industry.
Yeah, what I'm trying to do is to expose under my theme, discover, develop, and expose. So Joy Celebration is a big brand. It's not a small thing. It's a brand that's well known the whole world.
Yes.
Joy Celebration. So I sat down with Mkhize. Mkhize, please, man, I feel I want to revive the spirit of gospel ekhaya in the kingdom. And also, I know people, they love Joy Celebration. And I've been with Joy Celebration. I sang with Joy Celebration. I toured with Joy Celebration. It's a big brand. And it's lovely. It's a lovely family. So I said to Mkhize, can you allow me to take maybe the best up and coming artists, the best song or the best gospel artist, and throw them to Joy Celebration to record with them their song. So I'll be happy if there are two, a male and a female. I'll be happy.
Okay.
Let's say who won the best song. It's a male or it's a female, and then the best artist also.
Male or female.
And then that's another gender. So that we throw them to Joy Celebration. They did a song and a song.
Okay.
And then now, I'm looking at how can we expose them now to the world. And then also to get that experience of a live performance. Now, Mkhize said to me, Mkhulu, you know me. Anything for you, I don't have any problem. I can assist about what you ask. You know? And then also, we'll see and look some business people that we can partner and bring Joy Celebration after the recording. And then now bring Joy Celebration ekhaya.
Okay.
Now, baphekeletele labantwana, now to expose them now, to see them ekhaya, to launch them ekhaya
Okay,
with
yeah.
Joy Celebration. So that's my plans. So everything, it went well. Mkhize said, no, it's fine, Makaban. And then I spoke to Larry. Larry has got some connections in some artists in USA.
Okay.
And then I spoke to Larry, and then Larry said, no, Che, Mina, I will talk to some other guys that I know overseas. That let's just create that vibe. Let's take care of our arts, our creatives. If there's an opportunity, let them fly. If there is an opportunity, let them go. If there's an opportunity of radio stations, and before we launch this, remember when I was doing Amanaka last year,
Yes.
there's some artists that I loved in the kingdom who are on the secular. The artists like Abo Young Zesh. I love that boy. When I listen to his music, it's something like that. But listen, it was something as a yo man, this is great. So I spoke to some guys in Johannesburg who are doing the secular
Okay.
music. Then I invited them. Remember, there was a summit in December.
Yes.
On that summit, and then I invited Abo Echo, Abo Impra. So I worked with Stanley. Stanley worked with Big Fish. He was working with me in my company, Stanley. The one now is the chairman of Echo.
Okay.
The one now took Young Zesh. You know? So when they came here, we summit, he saw this young man. And Stanley was so excited about him. And he said, you know what? I think I'm going to take this boy and then expose him in South Africa. I said, no, I'll be happy. Then, I think 3 weeks back or 4 weeks back, we're in Johannesburg with the CEO, Stanley Dlamini, and then Vusi and Kambole, and then Boyang Zesh.
Okay.
And then he was collaborating with another lady now in Johannesburg through Stanley Khoza. Yes, the Echo guy. So now he's outside the country in South Africa. He's away. Okay. When he comes back now, he's gonna come back now to launch Young Zesh
with
the artist that he collaborated with in South Africa. So in short, we are not just sitting. I don't want to leave the young artists who need help and said, no, I'm too old now, I'm no more doing music.
Fend for yourself.
No, that being selfish. So that's why even arts and culture in the country, they are getting anything from me. They say, cool, how do you do this? And they no, when you want to do this, do 1, 2, 3. You understand? I'm helping where I can while I'm still alive. Because when I'm gone, sis, ngifuna nikhulume isingisi. Needs there was a man. Sengasekho. There was a man. I'm that kind of a person who say, if I get a chance, uba ngi-CEO, like at times, I must make an impact. Ukuthi mangiphumile, ukuthi hey madoda ayisilahlekela. No, I'm that kind of person. Uyabona lokuthi ube CEO wecompany. Ungashiyi anything nje. Luthe ekhomba sowuphelile lo 5 years wakho, noma lo 10 years wakho sowuphelile, ubuthi ubuke emuva, uthe lutho longalukhomba ukuthi this is what I've done. So it was a useless person kuleya city. Why? Uhlalelani kuleyo city. Make an impact kwi-city ohleli kuyo. Yabona mina ngina standard 3. But lalela, i-patch lami is too much. I-history yami is too much. I've made an impact with my standard 3 in the industry.
I also wanted to ask, but ngicela ungiphendulile kaFisha indzaba yema royalties.
Yeah.
Ukhulumile ukuthi ngadzeni the way artists used to sell the music bewayitfola le mali.
Yeah.
Nyalo sibona ama artists ajabulela ukuthi nakubalwa indzaba yema royalties, they'll start getting paid for their music. Do you feel like it's going in the right direction? Or still uvangazuthi, lama marketing strategies nalendlela lena itababhadala at a slower rate than before. Noma kutaba vilaphisa phinze because nale push ushito ukuthi ngathi bede.
Kahle when you are in the music industry,
yes,
kufuna and market yourself, sell yourself. It's gonna help you kuma royalties. It's gonna help you ku airplay. Ngoba ayikho i-radio bekunene letawudlala imbongolo. Yonke i-radio ifuna lihash. Uyabona? In terms of speed.
Yes.
Uyabona? So nilento sihlala sikhuluma. Yabona nje manje we are doing ama awards.
Yes.
I want to put it very clear, sis wami, Dlamini kwala. I want to put it very clear kwi-artist lebukako noma elevako. This is not a competition. This is a motivation. When you go to the studio, be creative. Come up with something. Someone, when he listens, at yo, I'm going to look this song. You understand? It's not a competition. No, come on, guys. Come on. Listen. Indulebulelema Africa. Competition? Jealous. That's the problem. And nalo was lawyer sewafa. Ngoba ngasuya sisita manje. Wasishiya enkingeni lo wasithakatha. Ngoba sisi God created uSipho Makhabane. God created you. Or God created Utina Zung. God created France. God blessed me with my gift. He blessed me with my own gift. My own gift. God created Tina wambusisa ngeyakhe gift, my gift work. lokhu lengikwendako mine ngeke akhone ukukwenda thina lokhu lakwendako thina ngeke ngikhone ukukwenda mina mina labo maye bama ubathi bangena nama ngibathi bangena nini so you can't be Sipho Makhabane. It's an English song but there is maye phakathi oh nkosi yami ingena kanjani leyo that's original that's me. So instead of competing each other, let's complement each other. How my standard 3 English. We understand. That's a big problem that's now in Africa. We are on competition instead of complementing each other. And almost complementana, the country can move forward quickly. The African babap. But the competition, yenda ukuthi sibulalane, yenda ukuthi sizondane, yenda ukuthi sithakathane, sifakelele bo poison, uthandaza ukuthi ngalona ngaso ufile, lo mnyaka ngena ku accident uthi ngabe ngawusifile. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Angatsho lamlelwa ngibani.
Ngathi yamthinsa nje team.
I'm telling you. What young Zesh is doing, I can't do it. There is no need of a competition. I can't be Moses Mathebula mina. Noma ngithatha ngibeka lapho nginike 10 million. I can't broadcast like Moses Mathebula like abonathi mhlanga. It's their gift. It's their talent. So when I say he brought me this far, they can't do it because it's me. I'm original. We understand. And what I want to say also to the up and coming musicians, they must learn to be original. Bangabi ma competition babe ma copycat labanye ma artists. No. Ngeke nje umkope Rebecca. Gogo nje ungathi uyambhuka manje gogo uyovela ku rehearsal ngiyekeleni ngihamba ngirips loyo. So don't be Rebecca. Don't be Sipho Makhabane. Be yourself. What kept us up to this far, 3 decades, is being original. It's the originality. Gogo nje ngogo nje. Angabamba nje microphone kuvele kuphume nje ugogo and the gogo she has kept that voice. Uyabona? Uthi umlengi Mateko yi-artist ogcina ivoice njenga Rebecca. Gcina ivoice yakhe gogo. Yabona? So the up and coming musicians abafunze kuba original. Bafunze kubhala. It's not wrong kucula amacilongo. Sekaphelile now.
Composer.
Ababhale tingoma, bacompose. Kwi-album yakho, come up with maybe 4 or 5 songs, new compositions. Come up with very nice melody. When the gospel is very simple. Akufana labo, yeah, mzala, what. Kona kusimple nabo ngendlela yabo, but you know to the gospel industry. It's very Christian, it's something very simple. But they need to pray for anointing. Music is not okay. I'm going to be honest. Sipho Makhabane, akanayo voice lenhle eculeni. Voice not this is a golden voice. Nithi voice lenhle eculeni. I've got ama tricks okusebenzisa this horror voice. Number 1. Number 2, I pray every day for his anointing on this horror voice. Ngoba uma ngibamba imic nje ngithi nokuba meva ngiwa nyathela ngiyakhuluma phela lapho akusikuthi ngiyacula mina ngiyakhuluma but umuntu engilalelako uthi hey man yo hey this thing see honestly speaking is not singing. There is a rice. That is not singing. Meeting bad.
Good singing, Dan.
Mbuke.
Yes, I think with over 30 years of experience in the music industry, ngicabanga ukuthi singakhuluma the whole day.
When it comes to that.
Singakhuluma the whole day because you've had a very wonderful journey. Uphakamise bamvu as uphakama nawe, and it's wonderful to see ukuthi nanamuhla usaphakamisa labanye bamvu. I think sesivala njena just a snippet noma kumotivate nje kancane Utouchile kancane with upcoming artists and asking or pleading for originality to
Yeah,
them.
yeah.
Ungathini nje kibo sesivala as someone who's been here, who's seen.
It's very simple. Avoid competition. By all means, avoid competition. There's these twins. It's very dangerous to our creatives. Very dangerous. And at kuhamba kwethu. Fame and pride. It's a very dangerous thing. A talent can take you far, but character will bring you down 250 kilometers per hour. So people, they must be careful. Nema talents wabo. They must be original, no competition. They must be careful about characters. The more you become famous, the pride comes. It goes together. Even myself. Ikhona. Angithathe kancane. Ngiye ngifike kubo Tanzania, kubo Zimbabwe, bo Malawi, bo Zambia. Ngithi seku ntambama usive the stadium siyanyakala bese yafika ipride bese ngithi hey shut up. It depends how do you deal with your pride. Wonke umuntu ophila emhlabeni unepride. Angakuyenga umuntu othi akana pride. Kodwa kuyikhona nje lento yokuthi nje hayi ngendile lokho. Dila nepride yakho kahle. So bangadila naloko mdala makho batakuchubeka. Bayembili. Ngize ngakusho nje ukuthi I love you, take care of yourself and make sure you take care of the talent. The industrial area board is not in town, it's outside town. Because the industry, it's rotten. So be careful. Ukuthi iministry yakho ingadliwa i-industry. Iministry yakho ayidle industry. Not iministry yakho idliwe i-industry. You must have a backbone. God bless you.